The matter of staying up late at night is considered to be from the magnificent calamities and the great tribulations. Also, it has for many violations against many of the people. From the greatest of the violations that comes as a result of it in this time of ours is the wasting of Salatul Fajr, not praying it on time. By Allah, this is physical calamity. When a person sleeps past this magnificent obligation, he has committed a magnificent crime against his day. Shaykh al-Islam Ibn al-Qayyim rahimahullah stated, at the start of the day, the sun has the status of its youth, and at the last part of it, it has the status of it being in its older age, and this is something that is known by way of experience. Whoever grows up as a youth upon something grows old upon it. Therefore, that which the person is at the beginning of the day holds to be true for him for the rest of the day. If it is upon vigor, then the rest of the day will be vigorous. If it is upon laziness, then the rest of the day is upon laziness.